All right, there. My name and address are covered up. I'm so bad about showing that. I ordered a month of Manny, what is it called? Monthly Manny month. I don't know, from Lantern and Wren. It's like $25, I think. Before we get into this, I wanted to say I have announced the winners. I have commented on their comment for the other two giveaways that I've got going right now. One of them was the Melody Susie giveaway, and Ice Queen 96 won. She's already contacted me, but I need Shanna Colbert 5251, and I'll put that across here. You won the stamping kit that has the stars. Contact me at guyleen325@hotmail.com to give me your information so I can get your package out. And that's all the giveaways I've got other than the Manny by Me box, but I announced that winner in the next box unboxing. All right, so this is a month of Manny's from Lantern and Wren, and I believe with shipping and everything it was $25. And I just did a month by month. I just did 1 month, and let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like a stand. Let's open that up and check it out. All right. Oh, very pretty. I have one of these. I have a couple actually, but always handy to have another one. Little stand to do nails on. That one's very cute. And we have a couple of plates. So this one is a Creative Shop. I love Creative Shop plates. I've got several. These always have like double. Don't use your nail, Guyleen. You'll end up chipping it. Okay. These always have double protective tape on them. That's really cute. Looks like a Valentine's Day. Really cute. Ooh, I love that flower. Nice. Okay. I like that. And then there's a Lantern and Wren plate. So let's get this out and check it out too. I'm going to do some stamping. On my nails, I have just done a skittle with some Uber Chic polishes that I bought last year. So they're pretty neons, and I really do like those. But a couple of them have gotten kind of thick and goopy, and I ordered them last year. So the orange was pretty bad. The pink was okay. I put some thinner. I've got some KB Shimmer thinner that I put in them that helped, but they're kind of goopy. Okay, let's get this blue film off. This is all butterflies. Those are very pretty. A couple of negative spaces. Ooh, I like that. Oh, some bamboo. I don't think I have. That's the cat. Sorry. Some tulips, roses. Oh, I like those. Negative space. So maybe we'll do a couple of negative spaces. I like those. I also like this flower here, but... And I love Creative Shop plates. They've got some really cool stuff. I remembered I got some stamping polish from Uber Chic, and it's Essential White. So let's try it out. I don't know if I ever tried it. I mean, the bottle looks like it really hasn't been used, so maybe I did once. I don't know. Let's do this rose here. The cat keeps walking across. Okay, there he goes. Let's try it on the pink here, the roses. All right, kind of screwed that up because it is heavier over here, kind of smushed, because I think that was because my scraper is filthy. And this is a Uber Chic scraper. I love this thing. I bought one and then Denise sent me one. So I've got two and I'm very grateful for that. So this is kind of a Uber Chic everything here besides Lantern Wren. And you can buy Uber Chic from Lantern Wren. And I'm not sure that I didn't buy it from Lantern Wren. I don't remember now. All right, so my fun finger broke again. My nails are just still so tore up from using bad gels. I'm just allergic to gels. I need to realize that I cannot use gels and stop trying to use them. I get my nails all cleaned up and then, oh, I can wear gels for a couple months. And then I fly too close to the sun and always end up screwing up and messing up my nails. They just lift from the nail bed. I mean, sometimes they'll lift way back here, and this one had, and this one had, and this one had, this one did. So they're all just messed up. They're growing out. It's coming out some, but that nail is so thin behind it that it just keeps breaking. Little butterfly, that's cute. All right, Emerald City from Maniology. The cat's climbing the wall, getting the mouse. I've got a mouse suspended from some carpet on a doorway because he's always jumping up and kind of trying to scratch his claws on my doorway. So put some sticky carpet on the corner so he could go crazy. All right, let's see what that looks like. I can't even tell what that is. Let's try these leaves here. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that worked. And let's go with the dragonfly. I don't have any kind of a discount code with Lantern Wren or Uber Chic or anybody else except for Maniology. But if I do have anything, it's always Guideline 325, pretty much. So, but there's nothing there. So I wanted to try a couple of things from here. I love this. Let's try this on one of these. Let's see what we get. And I think this box, you get at least one Uber Chic plate, and they're always available within a couple of months afterward. Nothing's exclusive. You get another little nail art something, like we got the nail stand, and then we got an extra plate too. And I don't think, they don't show you everything. Like they give you, send an email and let you decide if you want to, you know, do next month or not, skip it. Yeah, this nail is dry. These are so dry. I need some tacky base coat on. Anyway, they show you what the plate for the next month is going to be. And I thought about doing like 3 months in a row, but I'm glad I didn't now because there's dinosaurs on the next month. And I mean, that's, Lucas loves dinosaurs, but I have several dinosaur plates. And although they are adorable, I don't really need them or use them. So I think I'm going to wait and maybe in the next month do like 3 months in a row and see what we get. Do a 3-month thing. I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure that anything that you get is going to be available later. So, I mean, it's just up to you. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. So they do show you what the play of the month is going to be for the next month, but not what, you know, else they're sending. And I looked on YouTube, and there's like nobody that does videos for this, or I couldn't find any. Like, it showed me what I did last year. Like the one video I did last year on it. But that's it. So I thought, oh, let's review that and see what we think. Okay, so I top coated this. And the white, I don't know. This is Essential White. This is stamping polish, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll look it up. I'll look it up again. But, I mean, it didn't so much this because these are heavier lines. But I remember whenever I used to use just regular white polish to stamp with, when I top coated it, it just kind of disappeared. Like the top coat ate it. And the top coat I am using is Feather Dust from Parrot Polish, and I've never had that problem with this, and I never had this problem using Maniology's Bam White. So tell me, is that something that you've had happen? Do you see it didn't with this one so much, but these two, focus, these two, it kind of ate, like dissolved. You can barely see that one. But it didn't this one. So I'm wondering if it's not the color that I put it on, but it didn't this one. I don't know. This is a really fine line, so maybe that was the problem. I just did a Mod Podge over here. I really love this though. Really love that. All right, you guys. So what do you think of this box? I really love these two. I like those two the best. What do you think? All right, thank you guys so much for joining me. Tell me down below if there's something else that you've been wanting to try that you want me to try for you. I'd be happy to do that. Also, suggestions for top coats. I want only indie brands. I only want small independent brands. I'm not buying from Walmart. I'm not buying any, you know, mainstream drugstore brands, corporations. I am not buying from a corporation. I want to help small independent brands only. So don't tell me, oh, Sally Hansen has a really good gel-like top coat. No. No. I'm not buying that. So I just want good, quick dry top coats, and I'm not buying, sorry, and I'm also not buying Holo Taco. Not happening. I have that, and I did not like that. It's too much. It's just like Seche Vite, which I think is stinky feet, and I hate it. I hate it. It shrinks, it peels, it's awful. So if you love it, sorry. Not sorry. Bye. Oh, I know. I'm getting really snarky, aren't I? I'm hungry. I haven't eaten lunch. I need to go eat lunch. I'm getting the hangries. You stop. Okay, so here's my it's clamped to the shelf over here. So the cat jumps like from the chair or this table, and then he jumps across here, and then he jumps up there. And he comes across here to sit on the little window seat I made him. And when he does that, my phone is hooked here, and that thing goes boing, 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 boing. Would you almost have him? Oh, you almost had that mouse again, didn't you? He will stay there all night if I let him. Because that mouse comes out from underneath that dishwasher. He is all over it. But the trap is going down as soon as he goes to bed, about midnight. Schmack! He doesn't know it, but we caught the mouse. Oh, I caught the mouse. Him gone now. Oh, and you didn't catch it. He doesn't seem to care right now.